separate state Bodoland now.
After all Bodo students have signed, we have temporarily, for indefinite time, we have suspended the democratic movement on demand of Bodoland. However, we may also rethink on this matter if the BTR Accord is not implemented, and that is why we hope that the government of India will listen to this demand, and we hope that the government of India will assure us that the Bodoland people and the BTR people and also the entire Northeastern Six Scheduled Councils today feel that more autonomy is possible through Six Scheduled Council, and with the enhancement of power and functions, with the enhancement of the seats in the councils, that is very much possible, and therefore we hope that government of India will implement this Bodo Accord 100%. And we need not that rethink after the resolution that we have adopted, and we may also have to think to withdraw this resolution and go for another phase of movement for separate state of Bodoland. All Bodo Students Union, under the banner of Kokrajhar District Committee ABSU, we have organized a thoughts relay. We have straight demands towards the government of India and Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and Home Minister of India that on 2020 we had signed Bodo Accord, and which is famous known as Bodo Peace Accord, because we have 4 factions of NDAP who have come from an armed revolutionary movement, signed this accord, and now this accord has been almost 6 years to complete by the coming January of 2026. So therefore, we have placed the demand for all the 6 Scheduled Council of Northeast. There is a pending 125th amendment to the 6th schedule of the Constitution, and that's where we have an enhancement of a constituency in the Bodoland Council. We have additional subject in the Bodoland Council. We also have enhancement of direct finance from the central government, and that is how we are placing this demand again and again. And today also we take out this thoughts relay. With this relay, we demand from the government of India to immediately implement BTR Accord 100%. And now, as the winter session is going on in the Parliament, we hope that the government of India will hear us and they will implement this accord and bring an amendment of the 125th to the Constitution for implementation of our accord and for all the autonomies, enhancement of the powers and functions of the 6th Scheduled Council of the Northeast.